Hello everyone, and welcome to week 7 of WordPress and module 14 of the course. This week we're only learning about the global styles editor, and this will be a brief overview because there aren't any assigned tasks other than looking over the different elements. So to access the global styles editor, you want to hover over Appearance and click Editor. You'll see the styles icon, which is this circle that's half black and half white. When you click on it, you're given all of these different elements: typography, colors, background, shadows, and layout. Before you start changing things, you want to click on the style book icon, this eye right here, because it will give you an example page to try out all the different styles before you implement them onto your site. It's important to note that with the free plan, there are a lot of these tools that you cannot use, and if you try to, you'll get a pop-up that says you need to subscribe to a premium plan to be able to access those features. But you can still search around here and change parts of your site. I know in colors, you can change the colors of links and buttons, but not the text or background. And in layout, you can change the padding, but not the content width. This is the pop-up that you'll see. And since these are global styles, when you change them, they'll affect all of your pages. To implement a style change, you need to click on Review Change at the bottom and click Save before the new styles are added to your site. And if you try and save a style that's premium, you'll be able to see it on your website when you're working on it, but it won't be visible to anyone visiting your site. And that's it for this short video. You can go over the assignment sheet and complete the short answer questions. And if you have any questions, please email me.